Good evening. My name is Sridevi. Welcome to my video proposal. This video is about recommending additional desalination plant facilities in California due to water shortage. The proposal is addressed to California Natural Resources Agency, California State Water Resources Control Board. Desalination is the process of removing salts and other minerals from water, making it suitable for human consumption, irrigation, or industrial uses. The cost of desalinating water in California can vary depending on several factors, such as the desalination technology used, the type of water being treated, energy prices, and the specific location of the desalination plant. Generally, desalination costs in California are higher than conventional water sources like surface water or groundwater, but as technology improves, these costs have been decreasing. Coming to the cost breakdown for the additional desalination facilities in California is as follows. Reverse osmosis for seawater. Cost range $1,000 to $2,000 per acre foot of desalinated water. Average unit cost between $2.50 and $3.50 per 1,000 gallons. Factor influencing costs, the size and capacity of the plant, energy consumption, and the complexity of infrastructure. Desalination plant along California's coast like the Carlsbad desalination plant in San Diego, are considered the largest in the state and the United States. Carlsbad plant example, it provides about 50 million gallons of potable water per day, serving around 400,000 people. It costs approximately 1,000 per acre foot, which translates to about $3.79 per 1,000 gallons of desalinated water. Although its operational cost has been decreasing over time due to improved technology and energy efficiency, initial capital cost remains high. Coming to the brackish water desalination, cost ranges about 50 cents to $1.50 per 1,000 gallons. Example, projects like the Monterey Peninsula Water Supply Project. The second one is cost variation across regions, Northern California. Due to lower energy costs and proximity to available groundwater sources, desalination plants may cost slightly less in some northern areas, especially for brackish water, Southern California. Areas like San Diego rely heavily on seawater desalination, with higher costs pushing the overall price up. The Carlsbad desalination plant is a prime example of high seawater desalination cost, largely due to energy consumption for reverse osmosis. Economies of scale, large projects. As the scale of the desalination plant increases, the cost per unit of water typically decreases. Larger facilities like the Carlsbad plant benefit from economies of scale, reducing the per gallon cost of desalinated water. Additional cost remains one of the largest costs associated with desalination. Renewable energy sources like solar or wind are increasingly being integrated into desalination plant to help reduce long-term operational cost, maintenance and operation cost. Ongoing operational costs are significant. Overtime membranes in reverse osmosis system needs to be replaced and other plant maintenance is required. Environmental and regulatory costs. Desalination plants often face scrutiny over environmental concerns, including brine disposal and impact on marine system. Regulatory costs can add to the overall expense of desalination project. Additional desalinated plant cost, it could be due to cost of desalinated water, approximately $3.79 per 1,000 gallons. Project cost, $1 billion for the construction of the plant. Annual output, 50 million gallons per day. Monterey Peninsula Water Supply Project, brackish water. Cost of desalinated water, approximately $2 to $3.50 per 1,000 gallons for brackish water desalination. Total production capacity estimated to be around 3,500 acre annually. There are a couple of additional information. You can just click on the link that's been given in order to know more about. Conclusion, the cost of additional desalination facility in California varies depending on the source of water, seawater or brackish, location, and technology used. On average, seawater desalination costs range from $2.50 to $3.50 per 1,000 gallons, while brackish water desalination can be cheaper, ranging from 50 cents to $1.50 per 1,000 gallons. These costs are expected to decrease further as technology improves, taking desalination or a more viable option for addressing California's ongoing water scarcity challenges. And right below, there are three diagrams: total water cost, and then Bay Area water supply by agency, and lastly, operating cost comparison across major desalination technologies. So it is up to the concerned party to decide what kind of desalination plant they would like to have it installed in California. And as you know, provided the cost regarding the two major things. Hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Thank you so much for watching my video.